Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the meaning and use of English words to help you build your vocabulary with ease. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring a super useful noun, access. Access is all about the ability to enter or use something. Whether it's getting into a building, using a computer, or even finding information online, access plays a big role in our everyday lives. Let's break it down a bit. If you have access to something, you have the permission or ability to reach it or make use of it. Think about when you want to go to a library. If you have a library card, you have access to all the books, resources, and services there. It's your ticket to entry, so to speak, allowing you to enjoy what the library offers. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for access. We could say entry. For example, my badge gives me entry to the building. Another synonym is admission. You might say, the ticket grants me admission to the concert. Both entry and admission carry that idea of being allowed to enter or use something. On the flip side, what are some antonyms of access? One common one is denial. Imagine if you forgot your password. You'd experience a denial of access to your account. Another antonym is restriction. For instance, due to maintenance, there's a restriction on access to the website. Both denial and restriction show a blocking or a limitation of access. Let's explore how we use access in daily conversation. Imagine you're at work and need to log into a company system. You might ask, do I have access to the new software yet? Or maybe you're talking about a building, saying, only employees have access to the top floor. In a more general sense, you might say, with the internet, we have access to information from all over the world. Let's go over some example sentences with access to luck in its meaning. He couldn't gain access to the gym without his membership card. All students have access to the school's online library. The company's new policy restricts access to certain files for security reasons. And there you have it. Today we covered the noun access, which means the ability to enter or use something. We looked at synonyms like entry and admission, antonyms like denial and restriction, and common ways we use access in everyday conversations. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this word useful. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. It helps others find the show too. And here's a little challenge. Try using access in your own sentence and share it in the comments. I'd love to see how you make this word part of your vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and exploring new words.